Caterpillar C6.6 engine ECM engine controller. This is getting error, so I'm going to open this. Let me see if it's possible to repair or no. It's 99% impossible to repair. Let me see. So already open all screws. We're going to remove the plate. This. Okay. Wait, I don't have a stand. I should be take a video and I will open that. So I don't have any other friend here. Finally open chasing. Finally going to open. Dun, dun, dun. Like this inside. Ooh. So like it's coming water inside. Looks like see that. It's okay, everything good. Like this inside.